Every one of us who is a member of the Hip Preservation Center has young athletic sons and daughters who have these same issues, and we want there to be a place for them to go with surgeons that we trust as well as we trust ourselves. Every patient that we see, we treat them like they're our son, our daughter. And so if you're a parent bringing your child to see us, you can rest assured we all know what it's like. We all have young children in this very age range as we're speaking now. And so we know what we want them to have in terms of care, and we try and deliver that care for every patient that we have.
I'm a nurse and I'm the CEO of Sky Ridge. I have kids that are in the age range that really get this kind of surgery. And I just want you to know that I'm personally committed to a great experience and a great outcome for your family. I do this to have a place that's safe for my kids and my family to receive care. And I would love the opportunity to take care of you and your family.